Hi, my name is Serge Valentino and I am the Managing Director of Crusader Caravans. Today I'm going to introduce you to Urquhart Fevzi, our Operations Manager of our new facility here in Epping. Today Urquhart's going to take you on a journey. In this journey he's going to introduce you to our people that are so passionate to our processes that enable us to build you an amazing product. I want you to sit back, go and grab a cup of coffee, a beer or wine, whatever makes you comfortable, and enjoy this ride because Urquhart's going to take you through a journey that you haven't seen before. Thanks for watching this video. So over to you, Urquhart.
Thank you, Serge. Hello, and welcome to one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the Australian caravan industry. Welcome to Crusader Caravans. To start with, let's talk about how Crusader came to be at this modern production facility.
Crusader was established in 2002 when Serge Valentino, our founder and managing director, had the vision to build what he considered to be the best caravans available in Australia. As a caravaner himself, Serge could spot many ways customer needs could be better served. His passion for caravanning and innovation, along with his desire to see more and more people enjoying caravanning, led us to where we are today. Serge has decades of hands-on caravan building experience and still works on the factory floor alongside his team every chance he can get. As we continue to grow, so does our commitment to manufacturing exceptional caravans and giving back to the staff and communities where we operate. And we've been going places ever since. We moved to our new site and started production in August 2022, where 15,000 square metres is allocated to manufacturing and assembling on 2 dedicated production lines. We have put together an incredible team and we take great pride in our facility's 5-star Green Star design certification from the Green Building Council of Australia. It features cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices for a greener production, including energy-efficient sensor lighting, rainwater capture and reuse systems, and native plant landscaping. Let's begin our journey at Crusader's modern production facility at 14 Chatterton Boulevard, Epping.
We have 2 purpose-designed production lines here at Crusader. Production Line 1 manufactures caravans with our traditional layout, whilst Production Line 2 assembles our compact CRV range. Both production lines use our recently designed one-piece flow assembly line configuration.
In this assembly line configuration, each caravan moves through a series of workstations. Each workstation has a designated cycle time to complete its assembly tasks, ensuring efficient production. The line is carefully planned to have the correct number of resources and right quantity of inventory at each workstation so that every station moves at the same time. To facilitate the flow of parts and components, battery-operated tuggers and purpose-built trolleys are used to transport them throughout the manufacturing facility. This system enables the timely delivery of materials to the respective workstations, minimising delays, optimising the overall production process and ensuring a high-quality output. By implementing the one-piece flow assembly line configuration, Crusader ensures that each caravan moves steadily through the production line, allowing for a streamlined manufacturing process. This approach enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and promotes consistent quality, all the while ensuring the safety of our staff.
Hey, we're on the production floor now. Now let's take a really close look at the details of our production lines. Production Line 1 produces the Excalibur, the Musketeer, the Life Changer and the Cross Country models. This production line comprises of 18 workstations. Each station plays a crucial role in the manufacturing process, ensuring repeatability and quality is built at every step of the process. This is Production Line 2. This production line is dedicated to the CRV compact range. This line produces the Gladiator, the Esperance, the Chameleon and the Hurricane models.
This line follows a similar sequence to the Production Line 1, but instead of 18 stations, the compact CRV range is built in 13 specialised stations. These stations are tailored to meet the unique requirements of our CRV model. By strategically organising both lines and stations in our manufacturing facility, we ensure the efficient and precise assembly of our caravans, allowing us to deliver exceptional products to our customers. So let's take a closer look at some interesting aspects of our production lines. The first stop in the caravan assembly process is the chassis assembly.
Every day, our factory receives our precision-engineered chassis made from high-quality steel. The chassis are then assembled to meet customer preferred specifications such as water tanks and brake wiring. This is my favourite part of caravan manufacturing. This is the start of the process, start of production. This is where all the excitement happens. Let's go take a closer look. At Station 1, the caravan begins to take shape. After the floor is installed, Equipment and team members work collaboratively on the base of the caravan.
The redesigned models use a fully composite Eco-Lite sandwich panel, the latest in caravan construction. These panels comprise 3 layers of different materials with a water-resistant extruded polystyrene that is bonded between 2 layers of fiberglass skin. This technology requires innovative bonding techniques such as sealing bonds and unique assembly techniques. The quality of the bonding is inspected by trained quality inspectors and team leaders to ensure our caravans are rigid and strong. All Crusader caravans are built from the inside to the outside. This build style allows us to optimally control the variations of the manufacturing process and ensure all parts work well together.
Now let's take a look at our building process. Modular furniture is ready for the experienced builders to install.
Each piece is assembled by trained furniture makers where the interlocking design ensures the geometric dimensions are within tolerance for each piece of furniture installed. This new construction method allows us to control the variations of the manufacturing process with multiple parts and help ensure all parts work well together, preventing gaps, fitment issues, and helping to prevent water leaks.
In this station, we're going to show you how we power up the vans. We've got Kev over here. He's running all the cables for the lights and all the batteries. He's going to power up this baby soon. This process is so much more than just installing power points.
We understand that a caravan is one of our customers' most prized possessions, and we offer a wide range of electrical options to suit their requirements. Customers can upgrade the battery management systems to provide real-time performance data and incorporate inverters for off-grid capability. Our team of qualified electrical experts work diligently to ensure that every caravan meets the exact specifications and preferences of our customers.
At this station, the caravan walls are installed using an interlocking system, ensuring structural integrity. These walls are carefully designed to provide thermal properties, strength, and resistance to various weather conditions. Let's keep moving up the production line.
Thousands of parts are assembled to complete the caravan. We do this together with multiple suppliers, from the internal features like kitchen benchtops, splashbacks and upholstery, to the external features like the roof, walls and decals. This is where the caravan all comes together.
Let's take a look at the assembly area. The assembly area is the largest production area with the greatest number of dedicated staff in the plant. One of the most exciting parts of the assembly process is when the roof marries up to the caravan body.
A suspended monorail crane is the perfect automation for lifting the roof onto the caravan walls. The modular crane enables high precision positioning whilst providing a safe working environment for the team members. To support the production lines, 150 team members take pride in making sub-assembly components such as CNC cutting and edge banding, exterior wall and roof assemblies, furniture assemblies, and doors and drawers hardware assemblies. These are essential operations to keep the production line moving and balanced all the time. A team of material handlers are responsible for ensuring all these sub-assemblies are delivered to the production line at exactly the right time. Turntables are installed at the end of the production lines to facilitate traffic flow when caravans are required to enter and exit on the assembly line.
Each individual caravan is thoroughly inspected by quality control inspectors to ensure each part is built and assembled correctly.
We have a solid reputation for build quality. Our team members take pride in securing and maintaining that reputation. As caravans head down the production line, team leaders and quality control inspectors meticulously examine the caravan with both their eyes and their hands to make sure it meets Crusader's quality standards and expectations. They confirm that the correct parts are installed on the caravan and then look for any scratches or dents. Only caravans that have passed all these rigorous inspections are delivered to customers. All of this is done every day for every single caravan built here at Crusader Caravans. After a series of performance and quality checks, all caravans from both production lines proceed to a series of leak test stations and finally the weighbridge to ensure each caravan complies with transport regulations.
The leak test is performed by immersing a fully assembled caravan under water spray nozzles.
A constant pressure of water is applied using high flow irrigation nozzles which are fixed in strategic locations to adjust the direction and amount of water released onto the caravan. These areas include windows, access doors, hatch doors, aluminium extrusions and all roof penetrations. The goal and entire principle behind the spray nozzle water test is to identify issues with the assembly of the caravan that could potentially allow water leakage. If any leaks are detected, trained operators can remedy the issue and take action immediately. In addition to the water test, we have introduced a secondary test by applying compressed air and pressurizing the interior cabin of the caravan. All the exposed edges of the caravan are then sprayed with soapy water and are inspected for bubbles. Both these tests are performed at the final stages of production. They assess not only the quality of the product, but also the stability and capability of the production process. At the end of the production process, we need to weigh the fully built caravan.
All individual caravans rolling off the production line are weighed on a weighing scale that measures and records the ball weight and the overall mass of the caravan. This information is then stamped onto a VIN plate which is fixed onto the caravan. This is to ensure that the caravan is safe and does not exceed the maximum towing capacities.
The caravan will only be considered acceptable if it successfully passes all of Crusader's performance, leak tests, weighbridge and quality control procedures. Thanks to our dedicated team and the sound of the production horn, our streamlined production layout allows us to assemble more high quality caravans every day. The caravan will then go to a holding yard to await transport by car carrier, truck or boat to Crusader dealerships across the country. From there, a standard handover process will take place at the dealerships, enabling customers to familiarise themselves with the functionality of their brand new Crusader caravan. This ensures that they can confidently begin their journey knowing that their caravan is ready to accompany them on their adventures.
Thank you for joining us on this tour. I hope it gave you a feel for the pride, the care and the expertise that goes into every caravan build. We look forward to building your dream caravan.